you, Lord, for letting your word grow in me. I read your word and it started to grow in my heart. Thank you, Lord, for letting your word grow in me. You gave me understanding as I studied your teaching. Thank you, Lord, for letting your word grow in me. I listen for your instruction as your faith